Got a pretty face, slim waist, ass on. I'ma get my own.
Hey guys, welcome to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Genovia Real, and if you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. Thank you for coming back to watch my shit. So today, we are going to be installing this Temu wig. Now, as you can see, it came out quite better than the last wig. So if you guys want to watch that before you watch this one, I'll have it linked somewhere on the screen. And yeah, so yeah, we're reviewing a Temu wig. This is I think like a 4 or 5 by 5 closure lace wig. I only like to do closure lace wigs or T-part wigs because gluing the whole thing, I can't do that. I don't know how to install wigs like that. So that's why we got this wig. It is a T427 wig. I will put on the screen here what length I got because I don't remember. And yeah, if you would like to see me install this wig, stay tuned.
Young rich niggas, you know, so we ain't really never had no old money. We got a whole lot of new money though. Hey! Raindrop, drop top, smoking, no cooking, the hot box. Cooking, fucking on your bitch, yeah, that. Cooking up dope in the crock pot. We came from nothing to something, nigga. Hey. I don't try nobody, grip the trigger. Call up the gang and they come and get gang. Cry me a river, give you a tissue. Bad and bullshit, bad. Cooking up dope with a Uzi. My niggas are savage, ruthless. We got 30s and 100 rounds too. My bitch is bad and bullshit, bad. Cooking up dope with a Uzi. My niggas are savage, ruthless. We got 30s and 100 rounds too. All set. Records on records, got backers on backers. I'm riding around in a coupe. Take your bitch right from you, bitch, I'm a dog. Beat the whole walls, hop in the fall. I tell that bitch to come for me. I swear these niggas is under me. The hate and the devil keep jumping me. That was on me, keep me company. Hey, we do the most, yeah. Pull up and goes, yeah. My diamonds a choker, holding the fire with no holster. Read the ruler, diamond cooler. This a roller, not a mule. Dabbing on it like the usual. Magic with the brick, the voodoo. Courtside with a bad bitch, then I send the bitch through Uber. I'm young and rich and plus I'm bougie. I'm not stupid, so I keep the Uzi. Records on records, got backers on backers, so my money making my bank. You niggas got a low act rate. We from the north, yeah, that way. That could be blunt in the ashtray. Two bitches, this national smash day. Hop in the limb, have a drag race. I let them birds take a bath, babe. Raindrop, drop top, smoking, no cooking, the hot box. Fucking on your bitch, yeah, that. Cooking up dope in the crock pot. We came from nothing to something, nigga. I don't try nobody, grip the trigger. Call up the gang and they come and get gang. Cry me a river, give you a tissue. Bad and bullshit, bad. Cooking up dope with a Uzi. My niggas are savage, ruthless. We got 30s and 100 rounds too. My bitch is bad and bullshit, bad. Cooking up dope with a Uzi. My niggas are savage, ruthless. We got 30s and 100 rounds too.
Okay, so this is the final result. Yes, I put some makeup on. If I look casket ready, don't judge me. It's 7 o'clock, 8 o'clock at night. We can't, and we got other videos. Okay, so this is the final result. This is the Temu wig. I got this color in a 427, I think. And I think it came out pretty good compared to the other wig I had that didn't curl at all. If y'all want to see that wig, go ahead and click on the motherfucking link. But that was crazy. Let me put some earrings on. Hold on. Okay, but yeah, girl. The other Temu wig was a total disaster. This one is pretty good. The lace blends in pretty well. I went ahead and sprayed it with my Even lace tint spray. That's the only type of spray I like to use. The wig, I mean, it curled really well. I will put on, I didn't curl this part, but whatever. I will put on the screen what length I got and the color, and then of course I'll have the link in the description box below if you would like to get this wig. Now, I think this wig, it is kind of thin. It is really thin for the length. If you are gonna get this wig and you want it to be less affordable but more full, I would say if you're gonna get it, get some tracks and sew it in between, because this is a really thin wig. It's still good. The lace is really good, and I think it's more of like a glueless type of wig, because when I put it on the first time, it was kind of laying down, but you know, I got to do my own thing so I can get this hair blended in. But anyway, neither here nor there. So I hope you guys like it. If you have any questions about the wig, go ahead and leave a comment down below and I will try my best to answer your questions. And if this specific link is sold out, I'll post another one. Honestly, I've ordered wigs from Temu. The pictures were different, but when the wig came, it was the same wig. So you're gonna get the same wig. But anyway, yeah, y'all like it? Let me know. I'm very happy that it fucking curled, because girl, I was traumatized. So yeah, it's giving Beyonce with this blonde. I do love this blonde. This is a contender for homecoming. So girl, we'll see. But yeah, thank you guys for watching. Bye.